If someone purchases a product from you and you need to send an important email to that customer, but your customer unsubscribed your email list and you enabled DND for that customer, how you can send your email to the customer? It's a mystery. Let's solve it. Let me walk you through from the beginning. This is a email opt-in form. I submitted my email opt-in form, and this is the form, and I add it to contact opt-in form submitted. Then I send them a welcome email. When I add them the opt-in form submitted tag, I created a smart list here. This tag, the people who submitted the opt-in form submitted tag, then I will allow them in this list. And now I can send emails to my newsletter recipients. When I see my emails, I received a welcome email, and I added the unsubscribe button here in the email. When I click on the unsubscribe button, it takes me to unsubscribe page. I created this page and it says I am unsubscribed. I created a trigger link. This trigger link you can find conversation under trigger links. I used a trigger links and I added the trigger links to this unsubscribe text. When someone click on this unsubscribe link, they will be here in this page, and the workflow unsubscribe button clicked, this will be started. Then the trigger link is when someone click on that unsubscribe link, and I add a tag for that unsubscribe button clicked. What people usually do when someone click on unsubscribe link, they enable DND for the customer or contact. When you enable the DND for that customer, you can't send emails to that customer. But when I add a tag instead of enable the DND, how I can manage? Let back to the smart list. Here, add another condition. The people who has the opt-in form submitted tag and has not the unsubscribe button clicked tag. Yeah, I unsubscribed and I was removed from the list, and save it. So you have the people who have opt-in your emails and didn't unsubscribe your email list. You can additionally add another thing as a valid email. If the email is valid, save it, so your email list is more clean. Okay, when you come here and want to send an important email that is associated with your product and any security update or anything that is not related to newsletter, you can send your emails to your contacts. That's it. This is really easy and it fixed the mystery. Thank you.